Joining me now, Robinhood's Stephanie Guild, JP Morgan Asset Management's Jack Manley, and Palumbo Wealth Management's Phil Palumbo. There are so many storylines vying for attention right now. You've got new records, the S&P soaring, you've got Intel on fire, the NASDAQ setting another new record. But on the Middle East, you've got Witkoff and Kushner heading for talks and for negotiations. At this point, Phil, does it seem like a resolution with Iran is just baked into the markets?
I think markets look at things as we're at peak escalations behind us. So round one of volatility for this year is behind us. So short-term bottom is in. My focus is more about the new Fed chair, right? So as worse gets confirmed, the volatility around the new Fed chair historically has been an average correction of 14 to 15%. So the question is do we believe that that's going to happen again with Kevin Warsh? And I'm of the opinion that Warsh is very disruptive. If you listen to what he said, and you listen to what he's looking to do, reducing Fed balance sheet, a little bit more forward thinking in terms of making moves, not data dependent, which I agree with. All that's disruptive. And the question is, what's the bond market going to do? How it's going to react? That's the main question. And he's going to be able to sell the committee on what he's looking to do. Those are going to be the key things to look at.
You came to the table with some new and sort of interesting ideas here. One of them is not new. I mean, you're really hot on Microsoft.
Yeah, so Microsoft, I was going to say, is one of my most, one of the companies I'm really going to watch closely because a couple of reasons. Number one, it's been hit by the software sector issue that's going on. But number two, it's the AI adoption, specifically Copilot. And what people are forgetting is that Microsoft's always slow to the game because they're security leaders. Look at Anthropic with the breach that you're seeing. So with Microsoft, you're getting Copilot that they've done an excellent job integrating Anthropic Cloud now. 95% of Fortune 500 companies currently today are using Microsoft productivity suites. So they've done a really good job integrating Copilot, and you're going to see much more adoption going forward.
We're going to hear a lot about that next week. One of the things that you have in your notes is that you like commercial real estate right now. You think that it's an under-identified opportunity. Why?
Yeah, so before March 2022, there was an oversupply that was going on. It was cheaper labor costs that were happening before 2022. When rates went up, the opposite happened. Labor costs went up, interest rates went up, and then commercial real estate prices got hit. Yeah. We're seeing a bottoming process going on with commercial real estate. Supply is tight. Demand is hot right now. E-commerce is growing by about 20-25%. You need warehouses, you need industrial properties for reshoring, and multifamily units. People are not buying homes because they can't afford mortgages, so they're renting. So multifamily units, there's demand, tight supply, that's going to increase pricing, and also on the rent side will be strong as well.